Hello, Christine here. Today I'd like to talk about starting an email. Email writing is quite different to writing letters, especially if they're formal ones. So in a formal letter, you might read dear sir or madam or dear madam or sir, or to whom it may concern, to whom it may concern, yes. Very old-fashioned, haven't read it for years, right? So my favorite salutations, if you don't know the person you're writing to very well, you might like to say, dear Mr. Brown or dear Ms. Smith. You know the person a bit better, of course, dear Michael and dear Marion, or hello, Michael, hello, Marion, hi there, hi, everyone, greetings. That would work. Do you have a favorite salutation? How do you start your emails? Thank you.